In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, leadership and quality go hand in hand. Peter Drucker, the father of modern management, once said, "Management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things." Imagine a quality assurance expert meticulously running tests, achieving a 100% pass rate. But what if the entire effort is spent testing a feature that's no longer in use? All that energy, perfectly managed, amounts merely to waste. The real magic happens when a product owner constantly asks why, defining what truly matters. The Scrum team then focuses its collective power to bring that vision to life. True leadership filters through every layer of Agile, guiding teams to focus not just on processes, but on purpose. The best way to predict the future is to create it. In the world of Agile and QA, it's not speculative forecasts, but real, tangible delivery that shapes tomorrow. When code is merged, continuous integration pipelines run seamlessly, and a new feature lands flawlessly in the user's hands. That's not luck or accident. It's the future being built, one deployment at a time. Every deploy successful message marks not just a technical achievement, but a step forward in crafting what comes next. What gets measured gets managed. This mantra resonates deeply in any successful Agile or QA environment. If you can't track your defect rates, test coverage, or team velocity, you're flying blind. Think of a burn-down chart steadily progressing downward, morale high as the team sees their momentum quantified. Quality isn't just a feeling, it's the story told by the numbers behind every iteration. Without tangible metrics, improvement is nothing more than a guess. There is nothing so useless as doing efficiently what should not be done at all. Optimizing a feature that no user ever wants, or perfecting test cases nobody will run, is ultimately meaningless. Agile teaches us the value of Yagni. You aren't going to need it. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what's right, stopping waste before it happens, and ensuring every bit of effort furthers real value. Culture eats strategy for breakfast. You can have the perfect Scrum board, the best tools in the business, and streamlined processes. But if trust and openness don't flow within your team, everything else fades into irrelevance. Quality assurance thrives where mistakes aren't hidden, where feedback is welcomed, and conversations are open. Success, especially in QA, is about embracing transparency, learning from failures, and building a culture where every voice matters. Efficiency is doing things better. Effectiveness is deciding what things should be done. Writing 1,000 test cases is impressive, only if each one really matters. The real challenge lies in identifying the critical 20. Risk-based testing embodies this wisdom, encouraging teams to zero in on what truly moves the needle for quality, rather than drowning in sheer quantity. So much of what we call management consists in making it difficult for people to work. Sometimes layers of policies, endless email chains, or towering requirements, documents only serve to slow teams down. Agile Manifesto reminds us, working software over comprehensive documentation. True agility removes roadblocks, empowering teams to focus on delivering value rather than navigating bureaucracy. People have a deep emotional attachment to things that should have been abandoned. Look back at a decade-old function lingering in a codebase. Why hold on if its time has clearly passed? Sometimes the answer is mere habit. Retrospectives exist precisely for this reason, to challenge unexamined routines and steer teams toward growth. Plans are only good intentions unless they immediately degenerate into hard work. A perfectly crafted sprint backlog means nothing if no one takes ownership. Plans leap off the page only when teams translate them into operational code, turning mere intentions into tangible results. The most important thing in communication is hearing what isn't said. In every stand-up meeting, the quiet QA expert might hold the key to the hidden risk. It's not just about words. Sometimes, the richest insights are offered through a hesitation, a pause, a subtle change in expression. Cultivating empathy is the silent test that keeps teams strong. Drucker's timeless insights remind us that leadership isn't confined to corner offices. It lives in every line of code, every test run, and every daily stand-up. In Agile, true leadership means living quality, not just planning for it. If these ideas resonated with you, tap like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Which of Drucker's quotes did you find most powerful? Remember, think agile, feel quality.